Welcome back. You are now looking at the control panel for a specific website. And one of the ways that we can make changes to our HTML files is that we can go inside of the file manager for our website through our cPanel. And once we found the directory where the site is, where we're going to make the changes, all we'll need to do is to place our highlighter inside of the file. And what you'll notice there is that the dialog box for HTML editor is now open. All we'll need to do then is click HTML editor. We will then get a dialog box and then we'll click edit. When we do that, we will then see the WYSIWYG code. All we'll need to do then is click this source button in order to see the actual HTML code. And then we can find the appropriate section and make the appropriate changes. Once we've completed our changes, we can then click the Save button, and then our changes will be saved directly to the web. We'll get a message saying our file has been successfully saved, and then we can click the Source button again. That'll bring us back to the WYSIWYG editor. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.